Ruo-ini mundu no arume Ngai. Ruo-ini mundu no sin. Yeah, definitely. Ruo-ini no arume Ngai. Ruo-ini no mucinure. Yeah, things are not working. Things are not working in your favor. Shirwa GP ainire rwimbo ru. Nongera video nekaga. Ruo-ini, yeah, definitely. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, if you go through pain, just know you will come out victorious once you trust God. Yeah, I am a product of the grace of God. A round of applause to God. Gamiri doka hole makofi. I don't deserve them. I don't need your claps. I don't. I cannot. I cannot imagine. Craving for Gamini's appreciation. I cannot. Yeah? So ladies and gentlemen, today studying here, I am studying as a man full of faith that God works. Why am I saying this? On Wednesday, he mundu okire gwakwa, hau njangĩigua hũra honi. Pi. I came out. Who do I see? KCQ stroke L. Nissan Murano, the Apostle Cairo, visited my homestead, my matrimonial home. Yeah. Okarajera, Mr. Chairman, do you know what? Umuthi we are shopping, and we have a word of prayer together concerning this ministry. Horira ya Apostle Ruhiru wega. Yeah, runi ukuhura. Thank you. I can see now you are developing a culture of respect. Na athi uguo ni uguthi haraihu. No tukunyitana moko na athuri a kanitha tuge Ngamini tukumupromote athambagie cioro. Yeah. No thiete wega. Don't think you ever become a chairman. You think one day ni tugakuiguira ara tugutume mwea watuike chairman iku. O tugutume Kayore. We mutingota wikarani na Apostle. So Apostle came. Now ne ode anotire as we were praying, Apostle has started getting something that we call inferiority complex. Yeah. Apostle ne aikara oguo akamaka. Yeah. So you need to start praying for our Apostle. Turekera mufi oguo. Dera nyina wa Nderitu ahorie thitima so that we can get into that zone. Yeah. All of a sudden, it is switched to a horror movie. Apostle reke ambiriri kugabu. Reke Apostle ambiriri kugabu anyitete masati oguo. I've never seen that. Yeah. Rabidire tumwikirire gatuni. So the Apostle is going through a lot of tragedy. Na kuma githingithia giki kiraguthanire. Hau niho arambire kunyitwo ni thina. Gina ona mogate akambiri gutinangia. I have never seen that. Agatinangia mogate. I have never seen that. So ladies and gentlemen, continue praying for the Apostle. Yeah. Otikia hige mwabiririe kuga divine provision and articulation of human rights affiliation city center should be investigated, not any other moment. We will not allow that. Yeah.